on, sweetheart. Let's get up and get ready. Ow. What a mess. What time is it even? Is it? Oh my gosh, it's 8. Oh, and it's Saturday. I'm supposed to go to the beach with my friends. First, I have to put my blanket back on my bed, though. There we go. Guess I should get ready. Alright, text my friends. Or something. I guess I'll bring you breakfast. Yeah, thanks, Mom. Okay. Here, honey, I didn't know what to bring you, so I just brought you this basket of fruit. Here you go. Thanks, Mom. Okay. I'll eat this, text my friends, and then get ready. That was good. I'll call up my friends. Yeah. Hey. Is there still beach today? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's great. Let me get ready. I'll be there. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Wait, I'm not sure which beach we're going to. I think we're going to the Clarkson Beach. Oh, this beach looks very nice. I can deal with this beach. This will be great. Let's get ready, though. Yeah, come here, bro. Oh my gosh. That was incredibly awkward. Oh my gosh. Finally. Now I've finally trained my clothing. How to be clothing. I guess my friends are here. I don't know. Your friends are here. Oh, yay. Bye, Mom. So, yes, I'm so late. You're not late. Just get in. Okay. Yay, beach! Woo! Okay, that's annoying. Come on, guys. Okay, chill. Ugh. A few minutes later. Okay, so guys, here we are at the beach. Yeah, fun. Ow. We should start getting in the water. Yeah. You want to get in the water with us? Yeah, sure. Yeah. I'm gonna take my glasses off. Actually, no. I'm going in the water. Yeah. We should totally, just not go in the water. Yeah. Can sunbathe here. I'm gonna get drinks. So fun. Woo! Oh, my sunglasses got wet. Anyways. Oh. Hey, dude. So fun. Come on, just get in. It's not that bad. I don't want to. Ugh. Just get in. Ah! Oh, wait, it's not that bad. Told you. Oh, you have drinks here? Oh, hey, honey. But yes, we do. So, daughter. Mother. Wow. Okay, well, I just want, a lemonade. Do you want lemonades, actually? Okay. You can take that one, and then I'll get this one for you. Okay. Here you go. Have a good day. Thank you. A lot. Here we are, 2 lemonades. Thanks. Delicious. We should come here more often. Yeah. Whoosh, whoosh. We should totally play a drowning prank on everyone. Yeah. Go over there or something. Okay. Whoosh. Sorry. Hey. Not my first wet. I guess it's your turn. Okay. I swam too far. Help! Oh no, that man's drowning. Oh my gosh, the guy's drowning. Oh no. We need to do something. Wait, that's a fish. That guy's drowning. That guy's drowning. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh, that guy's drowning. It's not our friends. I don't really care. Ow. That guy's drowning. Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh. Lifeguards, help! Oh. Swim. Sir, I can help you. Wait, you're a fish. Did you prank me? Yeah. We're gonna have to arrest you for that. Huh? Come on. Come on, you're going to jail for committing a crime of drowning. Good. Oh, sorry guys. That was so weird. Did you see that guy fake drowning? That was insane. Yeah. Oh my gosh, we did. So, like, boring. What do you mean boring? That guy was drowning. Oh. Sorry. Ow. Well, it's like because he was a fish and it was just like weird. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay, goodbye guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great summer. Yeah. I'm on summer break now, which means I can post 2 videos each month, and I will have more time to make them longer and a bit more creative. So, look forward to that. Bye! Oh wait, not bye. I'm gonna start trying to make an outro and intro. So yeah. Bye guys!